So, this is about what I learned in English 1301. So, one of the things that I learned was how to overcome my struggles in writing. I realized early on that I didn't enjoy it as much as I probably should have. I thought it was something that teachers just made you do and that it would just be busy work, but I never understood the depths of it. And as time went on, I just realized that it was unavoidable because as every English class came around every year, we would be writing either essay or short answer responses. And what I was really struggling with was turning my thoughts into words. And so, as I started writing more, I realized that research style writing is the best suit for me. I actually very much enjoyed writing in that style of writing, and it became easier for me to explain my thoughts into words because it was more factual. Another thing that I learned in English 1301 was time management. I learned that you shouldn't procrastinate because you can't wait till the last moment to get an essay done. And another thing I learned was you should plan your writing. I realized that every time I developed a format before I made my draft, or if I wrote down all my thoughts and all the facts that I want to use in my writing, it made it a lot easier to form sentences and pretty much just create a much better piece. And you just have to give yourself time. Like I said earlier, like you can't just do it 10 minutes before it's due. Like you need to sit there. You need at least 3 days to just figure out your thoughts and put them onto the paper. So, also through this class, I realized that teamwork doesn't make the dream work, and this is in regards to the team project. I did find it very challenging because there was a lack of communication in our group. We had at least two unresponsive members at all times, and basically, no one really wanted to put in the work besides me and one of my other teammates. We pretty much organized and finished the essay, and yes, we got everyone to send us their parts of the team project. It was too late to even give them any credit for it. And then I also learned how to express myself through writing. So I learned that being original is the best way to go. The way that you write is the only way that you can get your thoughts out. You can't use anyone else's writing style to do that. And then I also realized the power of words, the power of word choice, just pretty much the way you explain things has a different meaning. And about making an impact through my writing, that's just very important to me. If there's any type of struggle or event going on in the world that I can talk about and just make my mark on, that's very important for me. So, yeah, that's what I learned in English 1301.